Great advice you need to know about snoring. Snoring affects many people. If you are watching this video, there is a good chance that you or someone you know snores noisily. Snoring can add unnecessary strain to family and romantic relationships. Whether you are keeping your partner up all night or they are the one putting up with your snoring, the advice in this video should help. Avoid alcohol and sleeping pills to avoid snoring. These depressants make your throat relax more than it should, and that causes snoring. They can also cause sleep apnea, a potentially fatal condition that can cause you to stop breathing during sleep. Avoid these depressants for a good night's sleep. Believe it or not, you can effectively beat snoring by repeating your vowels a few times a day. What this does is move around muscles in your throat and face, and when these muscles get stronger, your chances of snoring are slim to none. You can do this 3 times a day. Avoid alcoholic beverages and sleep-inducing pills like tranquilizers or antihistamines close to bedtime. When muscles are relaxed by these artificial properties, they tend to restrict your air passages. This restriction will increase snoring and keep you up. If you're going to drink alcohol, do it earlier in the evening. If you snore in the winter months, try sleeping with a humidifier. Sometimes very dry air, such as that we are exposed to in the dead of winter, causes a stuffed up nose. This makes a person breathe through their mouth and often results in snoring. A good quality humidifier will add moisture to the air and help you to avoid this problem. If you smoke tobacco, you are more likely to snore when you sleep. The reason this occurs is that tobacco smoke contains irritants which can aggravate and constrict your airways, which results in snoring. Of course, for obvious other health reasons, it's best to just quit smoking. To stop snoring, you may want to consider surgery. There are a number of different procedures that make your airway wider by taking out all of the obstacles that are keeping the air from moving uncomfortably. What these technologies have in common is that the surgeon will take out all of the roadblocks in your passageways, curing your snoring problem. If snoring becomes a problem, investigate the possibility that the medications you take may be the cause. It is common for various drugs to dry out the membranes in nasal passages, which can in turn restrict the flow of air. Other medicines, such as sedatives and muscle relaxants, can cause such slackening of the muscles in your throat, that adequate breathing becomes difficult and snoring is more likely. Sleep in an elevated position to help reduce your snoring. Sleeping in a horizontal position can put more pressure on your airway, causing it to close. By elevating your whole upper body and not just your head, you can relieve this extra pressure. Try propping your whole torso up on pillows or putting some blocks beneath your bedposts at the head of your bed. Again, a lot of people have problems with snoring. Snoring can interrupt everyone's sleep in a household. Both the snorer and his roommates or housemates may have trouble sleeping. Use the advice in the preceding video to resolve your snoring problems and start sleeping well again. Would you like to learn this easy, throat exercise, that eliminates your snoring tonight? Visit secretsnoringhack.com. Want to stop snoring tonight? This simple, 3-minute exercise, permanently eliminates snoring, as soon as tonight. Visit secretsnoringhack.com to learn all of this, and more. Link in the description.